Hi, I'm Eric Anderson, CMO at Spiceology, and I am not a chef, but I am joined today by Chef Christian Gill, who will be assisting me in the kitchen. And today we'll be cooking my no-hassle cassoulet. Cassoulet is a traditional French dish that goes back to the Middle Ages. Like a lot of French cuisine, it has its origins in peasant food. In traditional French cooking, you would have your herbs de Provence. Our creation, the smoked Chipotle Herbs de Provence, is really French meets Southwest.
Let us begin.
Okay, let's do it. Now we're gonna brown the chicken.
What goes in next?
So now we're gonna brown the andouille. Everything in the pot. This is the garlic, so it goes in with the tomato paste after the vegetables are nice and aromatic. Now we're ready for the garlic and the tomato paste.
Tomato paste.
Okay. Smoked Chipotle Herbs de Provence.
Here you go.
Okay. Oh yeah. Do the beans there.
Right.
Okay.
I got you.
Okay.
Ooh, no more fun in this pot.
Beans are in. Now we're just going to nestle the chicken in there. And then the pièce de résistance, the lid. All right, it's been 30 minutes or so, and we've got this nicely cooked down, and it's getting nice and brothy and delicious smelling and delicious looking, and we are ready to serve. All right. Nestle the beans around.
A little bit of garnish.
Oh yes.
A little fresh microgreens.
Oh, nice.
Microverde.
That's beautiful. And there we go. That is the no-hassle cassoulet or everyday cassoulet.
Ready?
All right, I'm ready.
All right.